So our topic is precision and accuracy. First of all, precision. It describes as closeness of two measured values of two measured values. Precision describes as a closeness of two measured values. For example, if we take examples, 100 centigrade is the boiling point of water. So if we take a reading, if we are measuring by ourselves, so it becomes 97 centigrade. Second time we take, it was 96 centigrade, and third time it was 95 centigrade. So these are the readings that we take, which means these are the measured values, but the actual value is 100 centigrade. So difference between these two values, that called the precision, which means closest between two measured values, that called the precision. These are the measured values that we measure by ourselves, but the actual value was 100 centigrade. Another is accuracy. Accuracy. It describes the closeness between measured value and actual value, that's called the accuracy. If you take example, we are using same example here. This is 100 centigrade, this is actual value, and we take readings 97 centigrade, 96 centigrade and 95 centigrade. So as I told, that closest between measured value and actual value, this is actual value and this is a measured value. If we take, so the closeness between these two values is called the accuracy, or we can say the closeness between this value and this value, that called the accuracy. In simpler form, if I tell, the closeness between two measured values, closeness between this value and this value, or this value or this value, which means we take actual value and we take one measured value. We will take this value because this is too closer of 100 centigrade, so we will take 97 centigrade, so that will call the accuracy.